Hello, friend. I hope you are doing well. So, finally, we have managed to complete your project requirements. This is the final demo of the work. So, the idea was to have an ESP32 working on BLE. Uh, so, ESP32 will be acting as a BLE scanner for the beacons. And for the mobile application side, we will have a mobile application where it will keep sending the beacons and transmit all the information as beacon packets. Okay, so we have developed an mobile application both for the Android and you can see for the iOS. Okay, so as long as the device is near to 1 meter to the device, the ESP32 will detect the device and receive the information that you may set in the UUID or whatever. Okay, so for now I have set the so let me show you the interface for the mobile application. So the first thing is Bluetooth status. It's showing either it's on or off, and then we will see like we are testing if the beacon iBeacons are supported by the mobile application or not. So in our case, it's supported by both the Android and obvious on iOS. Okay. Then we have the user key that will distinguish one device from another. Okay. So for now, in if you see the my ESP32 code, I have just put two valid codes. One is for 1 2 3 4. This is first UID, like the first key. Okay, and this is the for the second device, that is 13 12 13 and 14. Okay, so for 13 12 and 13 I'm setting up this one, my iOS, and for the Android I'm using 01 02 03 and 04, like the 4 bytes basically we are using as the key. Okay, so let's get started. And for the ESP32 side, I have set the condition that if the device is near than 1 meter, then it should turn on an LED on the ESP32. Okay. So if you see here on the serial monitor, I'm continuously scanning for the devices. And if you see, I have multiple other devices that are coming. But the two valid devices that we are looking for are these two devices, which are basically our iOS mobile application and Android mobile application. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. Let's start with the Android app. I have turned this one on. So as soon as I turn this one on, the blue LED turns on. It means that the device is in the near proximity. Okay, so let's try to go a little far from like 1 meter. Yeah, it turns off. So now my device is almost 1 meter away. So if I bring the device near again, yeah, it's basically detecting the device. And if I press the stop, wait for the next cycle. Yeah, so even if we are near to the device, not any long supported, because the device is, I have turned off the Bluetooth. Okay, so let me start this one again. Let me show you one more thing. So even if you have the device running in the background, let's say like this, it still works. So we have created the mobile application as a service. So you don't need to pair or anything. Just if you have a mobile application on your cell phone and you put it in the sleep mode, it still detects the device. See, if I take it away, yeah, it works. So let me bring it again near. Yeah. So see, even if the screen is locked, the screen is still working. Okay. Now similarly, let's test for the iOS. Let's go on this one and let's start the app. Oh, maybe. Okay, so on the iOS side, when the device is near, like we are doing the same procedure for the iOS. Let's try to stop this one. It does work. So let me start this one again. Start it. Let's try to make it little far. Yeah, turns off. Let's bring it back again. Does work. Take it off. So this was it from this beacon application and ESP32. You can make a number of use cases like in your mobile application. The good thing about using the beacon technology is like you don't have to pair the devices directly, and even if the devices are in sleep mode, that still works. So that is very useful feature of the beacons. So I hope you like the work. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.